Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to make a GIF using Canva. GIFs are fun and engaging, and they work great for social media, presentations, or messages. We will walk you through how to create and export your own GIF in Canva. Let's get started. To make a new GIF, go to your dashboard and click on Templates. From there, we search for GIF. We will see a variety of options. We just need to click on one to open that template. Now that we are inside the GIF, let's add some elements. For example, we can add text like a heading or a sample label. We can also add animations. We can animate the text like this. We can also add images such as shapes or photos. Let's add some photos. You can also upload your own. From here, we can animate the images if we want to. We can animate this one and then adjust the animation settings. Once we play it, we will see the effect. When we are happy with the GIF, just click Save or Download to save it to your computer. We can also share it directly from here, and that's it. We have successfully created a GIF in Canva. Now we can share our animated designs with friends, followers, or on social media.